What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to do a sorceress Halloween look. I'm going to link all the products I use below, but for now I'm just going in with some Mayron face paint and getting it all over my face. In all honesty, this look encountered a lot of problems, but we went with it. For example, my eyebrows didn't quite get laid down correctly, so I ended up having to draw them a little differently than I wanted to, but we're gonna go ahead and contour the rest of my face before we get into that. So I'm using Fenty Cream Contour, and I'm just gonna get my cheeks really good, my jowls, if you will, and then my jawline, and I'm gonna contour my nose and just get around the rest of my face to really blend it into my hairline so that it's not such an obvious thing going on right now. Independent woman, why they always on us? This ain't what they wanted. Where we asked about the money. Independent people, they don't wanna see us as they equal. What you think we in the streets for? Once I got all my contour together, I went ahead and started on my eyebrows. As I said, it didn't really lay down so well, so I was having a hard time picking up the product, and I had to pivot. So I just decided to draw over them and make a little design. So we're going in with Glisten Cosmetics, and I'm just gonna draw this little pattern over my brows. The more product I used, the easier it was to draw over my brows, especially since they weren't really laid down that well. I had to kind of get it pretty wet, but it did end up working okay, and I'm happy that I went with this because it's not something that I've ever done before, so it was kind of fun to do something a little bit different. After I colored everything in, then I just went back with some red and colored the little circles in there because I want to do just mostly a red and black look. I'm waking up before the sun is in the sky. I'm about to take the win because I know that is mine. You wonder if so after this, I'm holding this iconic London palette, and I'm gonna go in with this gold color and get it over my lids before coming in with an Anastasia Cosmos palette using the color Galaxy to kind of give myself the square look around my eyes and just really redefine them. Now underneath, I'm using this Mayron again. The brush has some black on it, so I just kind of let it all fall together, and then I blend it out with my finger because I just kind of want to look like I'm dead or need a little sleep or something like that. Then I'm gonna go in with Glisten Cosmetics again to draw some veins, and a little tip here is actually using less product because you don't want the veins to look too bulged out. So I kind of use a paper towel to get the excess liquid and color off before I drew it on my face, so it can be as light as possible. And then I'm just gonna draw little squigglies and keep it going, almost like little tree branches, really. And then, you know, just tap it out, blend it out a little bit there so it doesn't look as defined. And then I'm going in with Glisten Cosmetics still and drawing my eyeliner on. I also want to get it in the front to give myself this vampy look here. Make my eyes kind of a different shape. Then I lined my lips and used red over it again. Hair, eyes. Ooh, that kind of made the whole look come together. So I was gonna be a vampire, and that didn't quite work for me because the fangs weren't molding correctly and I ran out. So this is when I decided to become a sorceress instead. Now I'm using Mayron Tooth Effects on my teeth, letting it dry, adding another layer, and then I have blood splatter that I can get over the rest of my body. Then after that, next comes my personal favorite, the thick coagulated blood. Ooh, get it on my mouth here. Smudge it a little bit. And I think I got a pretty freaky Halloween look. What do you guys think about this? Like I said, I had to pivot and I wasn't really expecting this, but I think it turned out okay. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Enjoy.